smiling robot.
Hello, my friends. I've received a call from the police station this morning. They asked me to come and testify. That's why I came here. Hello, Handy Andy. Thank you for coming so fast. We identified our night racer with his fingerprints. For sure, this method never lets us down. The trick that has been used for more than 100 years. It still really helps the police to identify and find bandits. Our scientific method is called fingerprinting. In our days, it can be done in two different ways. They put special paint on fingers and then press the fingerprints on a card. Alternatively, with the help of scanners, when people have to put their fingers on the scanner. The secret of the method is that every person has a unique print on their skin. That's why using fingerprints can help you identify their exact owner very easily. Okay, here he is, our racer. Let me introduce Razer. I've already read his biography. Moreover, I have to tell you, Handy Andy, we caught him just in the nick of time. Yeah. He's not just some hooligan. From an early childhood, he's been keen on cars and technique. He started to take part in a forbidden street race when he was a teenager. Of course, he was arrested a couple of times. But every time he somehow managed to avoid punishment. But the boy grew up, and his wishes did too. He started to steal cars. For the police, he started to be a real nightmare, because he managed to escape at the last minute.
Help! My car was stolen!
So, Handy Andy, you did a really good job helping us to catch him. Thank you. Wow, I'm surprised. Although why should I be surprised? When we started to chase these loud music lovers at night, I realized that these hooligans were not easy ones. And for sure, it wasn't their first time to race from the police. Do you remember the way they managed to escape on the territory of that abandoned plant? In that secret tunnel where they hid? I'm not even talking about the harbor. They were ready for everything.
Stop! Help!
Even to escape on a submarine. But
I'm sorry, Handy Andy. The alarm button is triggered. This is city cash storage. We need to postpone our meeting. I need to hurry. Sorry.
You don't need to explain. I understand.
Calling all cars. Calling all cars. The alarm button is triggered in the city cash storage. Full combat readiness. Clear. We're going there. Keep in touch.
We will be there soon. We need to pass only 2 blocks. To be continued.
Thank you so much for choosing our cartoons. We have many more for you to watch. Choose one now.